So we looked at the curtain wall pattern-based way of making a quick space frame, which has been done by a lot of people, and it has this one as well, but I thought I'd put it in with the grouping. So what if you wanted something curved? So, and you could put the faceted flat one on a curve, but it will facet it like the curtain walls. So if you wanted something curved, you're going to have to add points. So in this one, this curves, and then this curves, and then this would go flat. So it's a single curve, but like you can basically do the same thing. Oops. And let me pick the right thing. So if I move this adaptive point up, that guy curves. And then if I move this one down, that guy curves. So we'll use a 9-point picking system and go ahead and do it that way. And then it just goes straight across here. We don't need to connect this to a curve. Although we could, depending on, it would work out because of the pattern. So if we look at this guy in a project, here it is. This is two kind of versions of it. Let me delete this one. And I'll place that full version in here. So if I go and pull this guy out, it just places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you can repeat that. If we repeat this, I would note that this is going to overlap with this, and this is going to overlap with this, right? Because it's going to repeat right on top of each other. So you have additional geometry in there. You might have problems with rendering or something like that. So you could do something like create a repeat. And let's go ahead and put this one in. I'll put it in. Let's skip one. So right here. That doesn't have excess geometry. So once you get into making these guys, you'll start to do this. So instead of this guy repeating, you'll repeat this one so you don't have additional geometry. So if I delete this one and I repeat this, right, it'll repeat it across the surface. And oh, it's offset a little bit. That's all right. I kind of didn't get right where I needed to be. But you have some issues in the corner, so you did not put it in correctly. Might as well see me place it a few times, right? Okay, so now if I repeat this guy, it'll go across there, but we have problems on the edges like you always do when you repeat things. So we'll also look at how you can come in and sort of tab select and then like pick a bottom left corner, of the same family and just flip it out for, that would be a bottom end, right? For another component that will sort of clean up the ends for you. You could also make one that added one on, but it's kind of up to you. So we'll take a look at that in just a minute. We'll build the component and then place it.